Hi, my name is Andrew Cheng and I'm the orthodontist here at Smiles and Faces Orthodontics. What I wanted to share with you is what we used to do and what have we now moved towards to with improvements in technology and how these deliver better outcomes for you. Better outcomes in terms of helping to keep your teeth straight and maintaining straight teeth. So on this side here, you see how we used to take the mold of your teeth when you get your braces off. You will see that this mold which is made, there's actually small dots. These are bumps on the teeth here. And you can see even in this case here, there's an area where it doesn't really show up very well in terms of the shape of the teeth. If you look at another example here, you can see that on these sides here, you see like small bubbles on the teeth, which are not which generally are not part of the teeth anatomy or the shape of the teeth. They're more just in terms of the inaccuracies that come about when we take a mold of the teeth to make retainers. Contrast this with how we make retainers now. These are retainers designed to keep your teeth straight, which is kind of something that you see here. So these retainers, they're generally worn for the initially day and night time, and then after a short period of time you go to night time, where if you look at nowadays, instead of a mold, we actually do a scan of your teeth. And if you look here at the scans, you don't actually see, you actually see it actually represents the teeth quite well. There's no bumps on the teeth, and it's all very clear. This part here represents a retainer wire that sometimes we attach that to behind your teeth. And out of these molds, whether it's this or what we used to do here, is we used to make these what we call the retainer material, and out of that your retainer gets made. So you see that since we've moved to these what we call the printed models, or we've been doing that for a while initially, but what we find is the retainers, they fit so much better and thereby help to keep your teeth straight. The other thing also is these molds here, they tend to chip or break, so they're nowhere as durable as these ones here. What it means is generally you can keep these, when we provide this to you, we will normally bubble wrap it for you. Generally provided you can keep these models of your teeth. These are plastic models, whereas these are made of plaster or stone, so they tend to chip or break. If you bring them in, let's say the minor mishap happens and you lose your retainers, then we can generally make these retainers again made to fit your teeth, the same positions of the teeth when you hand them off there. So the benefits of moving to these models here, what we call 3D printed models, resin models, is one, they lead to more accurate teeth, okay, and thereby more accurate fitting retainers. Retainers help to keep your teeth straight. The second benefit then is it allows the models, they do last longer, they do last a much longer time, and thereby you can keep them with you and you bring them in, and then we can make the retainers and are made to the same shape and positions of your teeth, so it reduces the cost to you for making these retainers, but also you have peace of mind knowing that, let's say if you lose your retainers and so there's a minor tooth that moves, having these made to fit your teeth will still allow them to put some mild, gentle pressure to help to straighten them back. So once again, thank you, and thank you for listening.